Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a social science class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is lesson 2, and you will also have some exercises A and C. Okay, dear students, look at the board first. This is the class of class 2 subject social science, topic lesson 2, exercise A and C, term half yearly, lecture number 2. This is your lecture number 2 and HW number 1. That means from today you will be given homework to do at your home. Teacher, this is my name Mahmudur Rahman, my messenger ID Mahmudur Rahman Sohel, and this is my phone number 01735852285. At first, dear students, I hope that all of you have got this book, and those who don't have collected this book from your school, collect this book as soon as possible from your school library. Okay, from this book I will at first read out the lesson number 2. Okay, look at the board. The name of the lesson number 2 is environmental pollution. Okay, by living in this world, we contaminate our environment that causes harm and discomfort to the environment. Contaminate means polluted. Okay, we pollute the environment in many ways. Pollution can take many forms: the air we breathe, the water we drink, the ground where we grow our food can be polluted. Even the increasing noise we hear every day can be polluted. If the environment of our house is dirty, we suffer from diseases. We make our roads dirty by coughing and spitting. If our roads are dirty, bad smells from the wastes makes us uncomfortable. Therefore, polluted environment is harmful for our health. There are various kinds of pollutions. Here we will discuss four of these. There are 4 kinds of environmental pollutions. So how many kinds of pollutions? 4 kinds of environmental pollutions. Number 1, water pollution. Number 2, air pollution. Number 3, sound pollution, and number 4, soil pollution. You can see there are 2 pictures. In one picture, a man is using insecticides in agricultural lands, and in another picture we see deforestation. That means cutting down of trees. People are cutting down trees, and as a result the environmental balance is violated. Okay, now let's see that lesson. We throw wastage of the industry in the water, making the water polluted. Black smoke is going to the air from our cars and brick fields. This causes air pollution. We make sounds in our houses and roads, causing sound pollution. We put artificial fertilizers in our agricultural lands. These are the causes of soil pollution. Through these pollutions, some areas of the world are becoming flooded and some becoming deserts. So dear students, we have discussed and learned from this lesson that our environment is getting polluted in different ways. There are 4 kinds of pollutions: water pollution, air pollution, sound pollution, and soil pollution. And the sources of pollution are also discussed in this chapter. Okay, in your exercise in the book there are exercises A, B, C. We will there are some questions in number A. We will now answer the questions. Look at the board. Question number A. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is the main factor of pollution of environment? The answer is man is the main factor of environmental pollution. By living in this world, we contaminate it. Number 2, question number 2, why are some areas of the world becoming desert? The answer is through various kinds of environmental pollutions, some areas of the world are becoming desert. Question number 3, write the types of environmental pollution. Answer is there are various types of environmental pollution such as A. Air pollution, B. Water pollution, C. Sound pollution, and D. Soil pollution. So dear students, these are the 3 questions. I hope that you will practice this at your home. Now we will practice exercise number C. Identify true and false from the following sentences. You have to identify, there are 4 sentences, you have to identify which one is true and which one is false. If the sentence is true, you will write true beside the sentence, and if the sentence is false, you will write false. Okay. We will read the first sentence. Water pollution comes from sound. Is it right or wrong? Water pollution comes from sound. This is not true. So we will write false. Because the pollution made by sound is called sound pollution. Environmental pollution is a national problem. That means this problem is happening all over the country. So this is true. We will write true. Black smoke from car pollutes the air. We have just learned from the lesson that the smoke from cars pollute the air. So this is also true. Number 4, our environment is polluted by air, soil, water and sound. So we have learned that there are 4 kinds of pollution: air, soil, water and sound are also responsible for our environmental pollution. So this is also true. So we have found that one is false and the other 3 are true. Dear students, your HW number 1 is exercise number C. That means this true false, these 4 true false are your exercise, your homework. So you will do it in your homework copy and you will submit it on Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. Okay. So dear students, I hope that you have understood today's class very well. For your better understanding, you should also practice it at your home, and if you have any further question or inquiries, you must contact me through my mobile number and my messenger ID. Okay. So take care of yourself and study a lot. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.